Getting ready to go into
where we are.
Toy Story Land. First time. Is that Woody back there?
So excited.
We might have to get a picture of them, but we're gonna head in there and
we made it.
We just looked, it was 90 minutes for Slinky Dog. We're gonna jump on and see if that's a true 90 minutes.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So excited. Yay! Let's go.
We're gonna have a smile on her face for a while.
Let's go.
Releases hands, arms, feet, legs, springs, and paws inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toys. Here we go.
Well, that was pretty dang cool, huh?
That was awesome.
It said a 110-minute wait, and we waited what? What time is it?
It's after 5.
It's after 5, so we waited maybe 70 minutes, so it was pretty good.
That was so awesome.
Can't wait to try the next thing.
Awesome.
Here we go.
that. You can see pretty good on Galaxy's Edge back there, huh?
Yeah.
They're gonna have to put something up. Well, you can see them building stuff on this side, so probably trees. Cootie bugs. The land's not that big. Slinky Dog was fun. Buzz is cool. This is one of the things I've been saying since the beginning, hon, is one bathroom. So the bathrooms are out right now, so if you're in the land, there's no bathroom for you. It's surprisingly small, the whole land, right? It's fun though. What's that? What'd you say?
Is Slinky Dog's butt.
The way it wags.
It's so cute.
And a big old Andy's footprint in here, because you know you're a toy.
Presenting some of our favorite toys. I see. Glad to see it.
Pretty cool, huh? Woody and Jesse doing a meet and greet. Don't know who these people are.
Lincoln, you'll miss him.
Oh, I wish Slinky Dog would slow down. He's making me dizzy.
She got the Woody one, or the Toy Story Land one.
He's so cute.
So this used to be my favorite store, Sweet Spells. Now it's a Pixar merchandise. What you got? Oh, a backpack?
Cute. Is it already broken?
Does it mean you can switch to either side?
Oh, maybe you carry it?
Yeah.
I have it on display over there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a
It's a sling.
sling bag, but it's so cute.
What is this? Flying Buzz Lightyear. Oh, you put him in and he takes off. Got a helicopter top.
This is $34.99.
$34.99. How much is this? $26.99 for that thing. I like this claw cup. How much is it? And because, especially because
$14.99.
$14.99. I have so many mugs and everything. I don't know if I need another one. Plenty of merchandise. Those Buzz and Woody just wad them up and throw them up in the air and they parachute down. That's an old school toy right there. You can dress up, or
Yours are cute.
is that for Woody or Jesse? It'd be Jesse, wouldn't it? Or no, Woody's the sheriff. Woody's shirt. Potato Head shirt. Look at the Buzz. Oh, look at, you can extend out the wings or fold them in.
$39.99.
$39.99. Ooh. Right there. $24.99.
We'll be back out momentarily.
Yeah, there, Gemma. Here's the new entrance to Toy Story Mania. Wasn't it called Midway Mania before?
I think so.
Yeah. But we're not going to do that today. We're going to do that
Soon.
the next time we come, yeah. Because we have Alien Swirling Saucers for later, and then we've already done Slinky Dog. We might go and try Slinky Dog again. Let's go see what the line's like.
Fun.
Yeah, but the theming here is awesome. It's super crowded because it's the first week it opened, but look at this Fisher Price Play Family Camper as the merch camper. Let's see what they got.
يلا زوز ماشيين بابا عزيز
Slinky Dog is gonna launch behind us. And alien swirling saucers is right there. What do you think of Slinky Dog so far? The best ride at this park?
Yes.
Yes. What's your opinion of that so far?
I'm not sure about it.
I know Mater's over in Disneyland looks cool as heck. So hopefully this is pretty much the same.
But Slinky Dog was just the smoothest roller coaster, and he's so
Look how smooth he's coming above us.
cute. He's so cute. Look at him. He's so happy.
That tail is just a wagon.
I'm just excited for anything new.
Yeah, we got a fast pass shortly for the Aliens ride, so let's walk around until then. Here's another merch place, and it's a dump truck. How cool is that? Look at behind Slinky Dog. Look what's coming at us. We still have, what, almost an hour till our fast pass?
I don't know if we're gonna make it.
Here we go.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.